Greetings from Preeti Urology and Kidney Hospital. VLD EndoUrology Fellowship is primarily for the postgraduates, MCH and DNB who have passed out. This EndoUrology Fellowship involves training of RIRS, PCNL and laparoscopy. The fellowship program is 6 months duration. The fellow works at Preeti Urology and Kidney Hospital. First 3 months, the training is focused on basics of RIRS, laparoscopy and PCNL. After 3 months, the fellows are allowed to operate under the supervision of seniors. At the end of the 6 months fellowship, a certificate will be given. Most of the fellows who got trained under this program are able to perform RIRS, PCNL and basic laparoscopy independently at the end of the 6 months.
Greetings from Preeti Hospital. The VLD EndoUrology Fellowship Program has been running successfully for the past 2 years, and 4 batches of 8 fellows have completed the fellowship so far. Dr. Shankar from Karnataka is our 8th fellow. He is completing the course today. Let us share a few words from his work experience. So, Shankar sir, how did you come to know about the fellowship program?
Actually, I'm Dr. Shankar. I'm from Karnataka. I did my MCH from Kottayam, Kerala. During one time, I used to watch some RIRS videos and any surgical videos. By that, I come to know Dr. Chandramohan sir. He is very much interested in academics and very much interested in teaching the juniors. So I inquired about the fellowship. So initially called Dr. Manas and Dr. Swami sir. Luckily, I got this opportunity to work with Preeti Hospital, Dr. Chandramohan sir and other team. That's how I entered.
Okay. What were the expectations when you came here, and how much were you benefited from the fellowship course?
This 6 months, actually I learned a lot. When before joining the course, I thought I learned at least few cases of RIRS and some basics of laparoscopy and PCNL. I have a little bit experience about upon PCNLs. I have not done any supine PCNL, not seen also, and not much exposure about the laparoscopy. My aim of this fellowship was to benefit from the RIRS and laparoscopy. These two are surgical aspects. I joined in December after my completion of my bond period and all. So when I came, the day one, sir introduced me to the this orientation program was there. He introduced to the system, what are the methods and goals of this fellowship program, what all I can get to do, how the program will run in over a period of 6 months. Okay, how to OPDs, IPDs, everything, and including academics. Okay, after the program, 1 week I was observing observership OT, OPD, and IPDs. So each case, before starting the case, sir used to discuss each case. Suppose PCNL, sir used to discuss CTs. What are the options for that patient to come out with maximum success without much complications. So each case, sir used to explain each step. After that, he used to do whatever surgery he has to see. And after that, if any problem happens in that case, sir used to discuss again post-operatively, immediate post-op. And during IPD also, during ward rounds, sir used to discuss each case regarding any complications or what are the next plan of management, follow-ups, everything. So basically, it is not only the surgical teaching; it is more like including everything academics, OPDs, IPDs, and the surgical. Okay, I have done many cases of RIRS. Initially, I assisted few. After that, I got a chance to do independently. I started with the access sheath insertion initially within 3 weeks. Slowly, doing a diagnostic scopy after the case or starting up the case, and slowly smaller stone in the upper calyx, later in the pelvis, bigger stone, and lower calyx also. And the PCMS initially got like the punctures, slowly dilatation under supervision of Dr. Chandramohan sir and other team members. Basically, and laparoscopy also I done a lot of cases. Initially, I assisted for the camera, and we used to started with the port placement and ergonomics, where to place ports and all. After that, slowly colon mobilization, dissection of the kidney, and at the end of the program, I had done independently 2-3 laparoscopic cases, and lot of RRS cases, and independent supine PCNLs, and a lot URSL and TRPs. Overall experience is it's a very good opportunity for the youngsters, especially those who are planning to start their own after the MCH course. It is a very short period to get a maximum experience. I got a lot of hands-on surgeries. I'm very much satisfied with the 6 months course.
Thank you for sharing the feedback, Dr. Shankar sir.
I thank Dr. Chandramohan sir, Dr. Ramakrishna sir, Siddhalinga Swami sir, Manas sir, Dr. Soundarya madam, and Dr. Hemnath, Dr. Rakesh. These are all the urological team. They all helped in each step of my last 6 months of learning. I thank everyone, and I wish Dr. Chandramohan sir and his team continue to teach and encourage the youngsters and inspire many youngsters, those who are coming years. Thank you, sir.